Ever wished you could wave a magic wand and instantly boost your credit score? Well, while we can't quite do that, there are tools that can significantly help you on that journey. One such tool is Koho. So, you've probably heard the term credit score thrown around a lot. It's like a financial report card, determining if you're eligible for loans, credit cards, and even apartments. A good credit score is like having a golden ticket to financial freedom. But what if you're just starting out, or maybe you had a financial hiccup in the past? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how you can use Koho to build your credit and start climbing that credit score ladder. Let's break down what Koho actually is. In essence, it's a financial app that offers a variety of services, but today we're focusing on its credit building feature. Think of it as a financial coach that helps you establish a credit history. Now, you might be wondering, why would I need to build credit? Well, having a good credit score opens doors to better interest rates on loans, higher credit limits, and even better rental opportunities. It's like unlocking a world of financial possibilities. So, how does Koho's credit building feature work? Essentially, you set up a line of credit with Koho. The money in this line of credit is yours, but Koho will make monthly payments on your behalf. This payment history is then reported to the credit bureaus, helping you build a positive credit history. But it's not just about making payments. Koho also gives you tools to monitor your credit score and provide tips on how to improve it. It's like having a personal finance advisor right at your fingertips. Here's a crucial tip: consistency is key. Making regular payments on time is the foundation of building good credit. Koho's automated payments can be a game changer in this aspect. Another important factor is credit utilization. This refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. Keeping this number low can positively impact your credit score. Koho can help you manage this by allowing you to control how much of your credit line is used. While Koho is a powerful tool, it's essential to remember that building credit takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, consistent, and informed. Now, let's address some common questions. First, is Koho safe? Yes, Koho is a regulated financial institution, and your money is protected. Second, does Koho affect your bank account? No, Koho uses the money you've deposited into your Koho account to make payments. Remember, building credit is about establishing a history of responsible financial behavior. Koho can be a valuable ally in this journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy credit building.